So the question said that there are three numbers in the ratio of 5, 8, and 13. And remember, these three numbers were divided by a certain value in order to have like the ratio, right? Which means that if we want to find the real numbers of this ratio, we need to multiply it by a certain value, which is why we make x as the value that needs to be multiplied. So it will become 5x to 8x to 13x. Now it said that if we add to each of the three numbers, we add 8, it will become a geometric sequence. So if we add 8, it will become 5x plus 8, 8x plus 8, and then also 13x plus 8. Now that we have already gotten the formula for our possible geometric sequences, what do we need to find next is that we need to find the ratio. So the way to find the ratio of a geometric sequence is to divide a term with the term before it. So this one we will find 8x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 to find the ratio. And of course the ratio of this and this will be the same. So we can make it as equal to 13x plus 8 divided by 8x plus 8. So now we will just need to cross multiply it. So you times this with this, and then you also multiply this with this. Okay, now we just need to multiply it, and remember for this type of question, the result will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And for this, we'll just need to multiply it by each of these numbers. So we multiply it by each other like that. This times this, that times this, and then this times this, and then also times this. So this is the result that we got. So I want to move this all to one side so that the other side is 0. So I will move this to the right side. And remember, if you move it to the right side, you need to the other side, you need to change the sign. So 0 equals all of this. Now I just need to add or minus it. And it turns out that I got this result. 0 equals to x squared plus 16x, right? So we need to factorize it. We just pull out one of the x outside the bracket, so it becomes 0 equals to x to the bracket x plus 16. So now it's either x equals to 0 or x plus 16 is equal to 0. So now it's either one of the two, right? But why is x equals 0 not correct? Because if we replace the x with the 0, the ratio will become 0 to 0 to 0. So this is already wrong. So the correct one must be the x plus 16 equal to 0 or x equals to negative 16. We just change the x into negative 16, and we will get the answer of negative 80 to negative 128 to negative 208, and that is our answer.
This is what you should do if you want to check your answer. Thank you for listening.